Hello crafty friends, my name's Alicia, but you can call me Crafty Owl, and welcome to one of my most favorite videos of the month, the Show Us Your SheetLoad / Happy Mail video. Each month I like to stop by and share a look with you at what came in my P.O. box for the month. Sometimes these are Show Us Your SheetLoad cards, sometimes they're just because cards, but they are always a treat to open. If you're ever interested in sending in a card, my P.O. box is at the bottom of the description box below. Also in the description box is the Show Us Your SheetLoad guidelines video that if you are going to share a sheetload with us, it gives you different ways you can do that, both online and for this end of the month video. Let's go ahead and take a look at the happy mail that came this month. Up first is a Christmas card from Caroline K. of California. I love the green on this and those pretty Christmas baubles. Renee from Tennessee sent me this beautiful Christmas card. I love all of the sparkle and how she has that oval of vellum behind the front door. This lovely card came from Johnielle of Delaware. I love that beautiful deer and the gold foiling. This Christmas card came from Carol S. of Indiana and also has some gold foiling on the front. I love the layout and how she has stamped her focal point. Karen C. of Maryland sent me this monochromatic holiday card. I just love the embossing detail and the fun way it stands up and is kind of like a display. You might recognize this next card from Beck Ann of Ohio. She is one of our new creative team members for SheetLoad and shared this set for December 2024. I admired it on the video, but I love it even more in person. And speaking of new team members, this adorable Christmas card is from Letty, who is also joining us in 2025. In her card, she sent me a couple scratch-off pieces. One, you scratch to reveal what size card to make, and the other, you're going to take out those new supplies and scratch a prompt to help guide you in your card making. That is super duper fun. If I can reach out to Letty to see if she sells these, I will link them down in that description box below. Vicky R. from Oklahoma sent me this adorable meowy Christmas card. I love that focal point and that fun background paper. Patrizia D. from Texas used the December 2024 sheetload of cards for this fun Christmas card. I love the plaid with that red snowflake paper. Cheryl S. from Utah also used December 2024 for this holiday card. I love that fun background paper and the cute little candies on the focal point. Alice R. from Colorado sent me this pretty Christmas card. You can't see it on screen, but there is tons of sparkle and shine. Barbara K. from California sent me this very Merry Christmas card. I love that gold star on the tree and the nice note inside. Joyce M. of Washington sent me this beautiful winter card. Once again, this is one where the camera doesn't do it justice. There is so much sparkle and shine. Julie T. from Idaho sent me this adorable holiday card. I love that cute little snowman on the front and all of the sparkle. Lisa D. from Illinois sent me this holiday card that features the October 2024 sheetload. I love the purple and blue together and the shape of that sentiment piece. Marilyn M. from Michigan sent me this pretty Christmas card. I love the folk art look of that focal point, and she also included a mini tear-off calendar. I did have an easel card here, Marilyn, that was a little outdated, so I'll make sure to add this new one. Thank you. Joan O. from Denmark sent me this lovely Christmas card that features the December 2024 layout. I love how she has kind of rotated that sketch and added a shiny metallic mat behind her pattern paper pieces. Sandra J., my crafty godmother from Washington, sent me this very cute Christmas card. Thank you, Sandra, for the card and the wonderful Christmas gift inside. Up next is a package from Gloria W. of Michigan. Inside was a cute Christmas card for me, and I thought I would open it here on camera and show you all of the goodies. There was this cute little rainbow note card inside that she said she knew I liked rainbows, which of course you know I do. And then she sent me 2 little glue stopper pins, which here is her email address in case you need your own, because she did make these. And also she has sent me a rainbow picker tool. So next time I need to get something out of a die, I can do it in style. She also sent me this beautiful card that has another one of those tear-off calendars, so now I'll know what the date is no matter where I am in my house. Karen C. of the Karen's Crafting Company YouTube channel sent me this beautiful thank you card. I love those colors and the sparkle on the foiling. Karen also sent me a wonderful Christmas present. Again, I thought I would open it here on camera with you. First off is the November freebie postage die from Tailored Expressions. I mentioned that I didn't place an order that month, so I didn't get it, and Karen shared an extra with me. Next up, this note said she was hoping to get it here for my Advent series, which if you haven't yet watched my daily live stream replays or my Spellbinders pre-recorded videos, check out the description box below for links. Inside this package was a fun magnetic folder. It's so nice, leather on the outside, and look at this. When you bring in dies, these are some from the Tailored Expressions Advent Calendar, they stick right in there. How nice! In that bigger package, there was also a little tag with a note with it, and she said that I had admired this in the past, and I kind of had a good idea of what it might be. You guys, I noticed on her card photos that she had this fun greenery in the background, and she told me where she got it from, but I was never able to find one. So you are going to be seeing this in some upcoming card videos. Thank you so very much, Karen. Wow, wow, wow. This was already a pretty awesome month between the Advent series and the holidays, but today's cards and gifts just made it so much more special. Thank you so much to each of you who took the time to send in a card or a gift. I cannot wait to put them all to use and get some cards put on display behind me. Until my next video, I hope you're all having a crafty day. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch all the way to the end of the video. I hope now you'll consider clicking on one of the videos or playlists I have linked above. And if you are interested in any of the products or tools I used in today's video, I do have some links in the description box below.